Hey everyone, welcome to the official channel of GJC's Computer Science Department. In this video, we are going to talk about how exactly do websites work. What exactly does HTML, CSS and JavaScript do? Now, in order to access a web page, we all know that you need a browser. And that browser can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox or whichever that is your favorite one. These are all pieces of software that allow you to look up the IP address of your website and be able to receive data that it can render into these beautiful websites that we see. Now, the data that you receive from the server usually consists of three types of files: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And it's very likely that you would have come across these types of files or these words before, because they are so common and these are so integral to how websites work. But what exactly do they do? The HTML code file is responsible for the structure of your website. So, if a website was a house, then the HTML will be the builder who will come in to build the walls or put in a toilet. Basically, they establish the structure of your house. And when your HTML code, you also build up the structure of your website. So, you could use HTML to add an image or button or text box, whatever it is that you need in your website. Now, the second type of files are CSS files, and these files are responsible for styling your website. If you are building a house, then this will be the painters and decorators. They will be going around painting the walls and adding stylish flourishes to your place, and generally making the place look the way that you want it to. And that's exactly what CSS code does as well. When you incorporate CSS, it allows you to specify how you want your website to look. So you could say that you have a button that you got from your HTML file, but you want that button to be red and you want the text to be white and you want to change the font. This is all done using CSS code. Now, the final component is the JavaScript code, and this is the code that allows your website to actually do things or have behavior. And if you are building a house, you will have the electrician come in, who would be able to connect the wires so that your light bulbs actually switch on, or somebody who comes in and does the plumbing so that the toilet can actually flush. And the JavaScript code does exactly that. It allows your website to actually do things and have behavior. If you can use these three files and make a beautiful website, you are halfway there to become a front-end web developer.